Good morning guys, it's 4:45 a.m. and I just woke up to come see the fire pit under the black sky. It is extremely hot if you get near it, like 5 feet away from the edge. It burns off the hair of my beard.
Behind me, this is the gas crater. We call it the Darwaza. Darwaza from Turkmen spelling means gates, but also it has the name gates to hell.
To get here, you must hop in a 4-hour car ride from Ashgabat along the old Silk Road straight into the Karakum desert. The sand dunes seemingly go on forever, and then all of a sudden, our jeep veered 10 kilometers off the main road, and we saw this. An enormous 230-foot crater that's been continuously raging in flames for the last 48 years.
Yes, and 200 meters diameter.
And it never stops once.
Never stops.
In the rain?
Even the raining.
How on earth did this happen? Given that Turkmenistan is rich in natural gas, people have been digging in the desert to find new sources. One day in 1971, a Soviet scientist dug a little too fast, accidentally making this crater which collapsed into a gas pocket. And this one fell, right?
Yeah. It's crushed here, then it's crushed here.
This is some of the equipment that they were using, and it's just buried here in the ground. With natural gas spewing out everywhere, he came up with the genius idea to burn it all away, but it didn't work out as he expected. The fire pit hasn't stopped burning for the last 17,286 days and counting. The most insane heat wave, you can just feel your face burning off. I'm staying the night in a yurt, a nomadic home just 100 meters away from the crater itself. They're preparing me some local Turkmen dinner tonight. Oh my god, these are so fresh. It's amazing enough to see this during the day, but during the night, it's a scene unlike anything on Earth because darkness in the Karakum desert is true darkness. There's no light pollution for hundreds of miles, only stars above your head in the pitch black sky, putting on an unthinkable scene here in Turkmenistan. There are very few eternal fires on this planet, but none of them are as impressive as this one. Alright, I'm gonna go finish this sunrise. Catch you guys later. I'm Drew Binsky, and if you like my travel videos, please click subscribe and join me as I plan to visit every country in the world.